Some great ideas stuck on a wall or whiteboard that are static and uninteractive. This is a pretty common sight for anyone that's worked as part of a collaborative group, for example in a workshop or brainstorming session. The next steps in evolving the key ideas through to execution and delivery projects tends to be both time-consuming and cumbersome. With so many emails, attachments and endless meetings, decisions take a long time to be made. This is mainly because the people, the knowledge and all-important context are spread across the organisation. But there's a better way. By arranging the information in SharpCloud, you instantly bring it all to life. The post-its, as well as the threats and opportunities they represent, become collaborative and interactive, allowing anyone in the organisation to build out the ideas, add content, prioritise, get feedback and present to others so that you can make decisions that are transparent to all the stakeholders in your organisation. Creating a SharpCloud story like this from a wall chart is remarkably simple and need only take a couple of minutes, particularly since the people that make Post-it notes released the Post-it Plus app. This app can be used to take a picture of your wall chart, and then within the app you can group similar items and give each group a name. When you export from the app, it creates a spreadsheet like this one. Here I can see all of the individual Post-it notes, and I can give each one a name. You'll notice that the columns in the spreadsheet reflect the groups that we created in the app. With all of this valuable information sitting in the spreadsheet, we created a simple SharpCloud add-in that will take the contents of one of these spreadsheets and push it all into a SharpCloud story automatically. All I need to do is launch the add-in, type in some basic details and hit Add Post-its. As soon as I do this, you can see that the items come into the story automatically. By quickly creating a layer view, you can easily see the groupings that have come in from the spreadsheet. Next, I'd like to sit with some of the workshop attendees and work with them to prioritise these ideas based on their benefit and impact to the organisation. I can quickly set up these metrics in SharpCloud and then use a view to move the items around the screen and put them in their respective places. By moving the items on the screen, I've now created a prioritised list with the top right quadrant being the high impact, high benefit items. So I can click on those items and mark them as high priority. We can also make sure that items with a high priority rating have a red border so that they're easy to identify. Now that the basic information in the story is ready, I can share it with the workshop attendees. I can even nominate some of the attendees to have edit access so that they can start adding more information into some items in the story. So now as more and more data is added into the story, it continues to be a reference back to the original workshop, but now starts to illustrate the delivery of some of the high priority items. Even when the details start to be managed in other systems like cost management or project management systems, SharpCloud can continue to be a way to monitor and communicate progress on the ideas that were developed in the workshop and becomes a living reference document. If you'd like to find out more, just contact us. Thanks.